Imagine a stablecoin that not only holds its value but also offers up to 8,000% APY. What if it was actually backed by assets, unlike traditional currencies, and governed by the community? And have you ever come across that mysterious 3.3 meme on Twitter or YouTube that no one seems to explain? Well, today, we're unraveling the secrets of Olympus DAO, the crypto project that's got everyone talking. Stick around, because the insights in this video could change how you see the future of finance. Let's start with the basics. Money is just something we all agree has value. Thousands of years ago, seashells were used as currency. Then we moved to metals like gold and silver. Not long ago, the US dollar was backed by gold, meaning every dollar had its equivalent in gold stored somewhere. But today, it's not backed by anything tangible, just the trust that it holds value. Now, with the rise of digital assets, Olympus DAO asks, can we create a new kind of currency, one that's truly backed by assets? Olympus DAO created the OHM token, and here's where it gets interesting. OHM isn't just another stablecoin. It's backed by a basket of assets like DAI, Frax, and Ethereum. This gives it a floor value, making it fundamentally different from other cryptocurrencies. But before we dive into the maths, let's clear up a common confusion: backing versus pegging. Unlike stablecoins like USDT, which are pegged to the US dollar, OHM is backed by real assets. This backing is crucial for understanding how Olympus DAO maintains its stability. Now let's talk about that jaw-dropping 8,000% APY. Olympus DAO offers this through two main mechanisms: bonding and staking. When you bond, you're buying OHM at a discount by exchanging it for other assets like Ethereum. But there's a catch. You'll need to wait a few days to receive your discounted OHM. This is where the magic happens. The protocol earns from the difference between the backing and the market price. This profit is then used to reward stakers, who lock up their OHM, reducing the supply and keeping the price stable. It's a win-win, as long as the market cooperates. Ever wondered what that 3.3 meme is all about? It's more than just a Twitter trend. It's rooted in game theory. Imagine two prisoners, each with the choice to confess or stay silent. If both stay silent, they get the best outcome. If one confesses and the other doesn't, the confessor gets a lighter sentence, and the other gets a heavier one. Olympus DAO takes this idea and applies it to staking OHM. If everyone stakes, that's the 3.3 scenario. The entire community benefits. It's a game of trust and cooperation. But what happens if trust breaks down? Of course, with great rewards come great risks. OHM is not immune to market fluctuations, but it does have safeguards. Unlike failed projects like Iron Finance, OHM has a floor price, backed by real assets in the treasury. If the price drops too low, the protocol buys back OHM, stabilizing its value. But here's the million-dollar question. Will Olympus DAO withstand the test of time, or will it follow the fate of other ambitious crypto projects? Only time will tell. As we wrap up, it's clear that Olympus DAO is more than just a high-yield opportunity. It's an experiment in decentralized finance that could redefine how we think about money. Huge shout-out to the calculator guy for helping break down these complex concepts. Make sure to check out his channel for more deep dives into the world of crypto. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto insights, and let us know in the comments what you think about Olympus DAO. Is it the future of finance or just another passing trend? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.